Today I will show you the easiest way to knit an icord. I made a video where I was using the pushers and no one told me there is an easier way, so I assumed this video would be helpful. Now let's get started. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 4 needles on the front bed, then put the first and the third ones out of working position. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 1. Set the back lock to GX. Insert the black strippers and take the main yarn. Now knit one row to the left. Drop the front bed and hook a 7-shaped weight hanger to the yarn between both needles. Attach a small weight and raise the front bed. Hold the weight with your hand because it will drop. Now raise the first and the third needle and put the left edge spring on the last working needle. On the front lock, increase the stitch size to 4 and knit one row to the right to finish the cast on. Clear the row counter and set the front lock to CX. Choose the stitch size according to the yarn that you're using. I'm using 2 strands, so I will set it to 2.5. Now knit until you reach the desired length. If you look closely, you will notice that the machine knits when the lock is moved to the left and slips when the lock is moved to the right side. I knitted 222 rows for the demonstration. Now take the yarn from the lock and cut it. Remove the weight and use the double-eye bodkin tool to sew off the stitches starting from right to left. And that's how the cord will look like. To hide the loop from the weight, you have to pull the cast-on tail. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.